everyone, my name is Masha and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk with you about personal branding and how to build powerful brand from scratch, from zero, from nothing. I know there's like a ton of brands right now on social media, on internet, so it's really important to stand out with your brand, with your personality, especially if you are personal brand, what means that you're using your face for your marketing. So we will dive right into it and I will present to you 7 steps and tricks how to stand out from the others. So step number 1 is be searchable. I will use Instagram here as an example and you can also see my profile optimization right here. So it's really important that you focus on your username, on your name and also on your bio. Username is actually, in my case, my first name and my last name, masha.ausset. The problem here is that a lot of people don't know me yet by my name. So when they search like on Instagram, they're not searching Masha Ausset and they can't actually find me. And that's why it's really important that we optimize also our name. You can see that I use business coach in my name. Why is this important? So when you go on Instagram and when you are searching for people or tags or whatever, you can just put business coach or maybe for an example fitness coach. When I will search on my Instagram just fitness coach, Instagram will show me the profiles that have fitness coach on their names, that use fitness and coach. You can search just for example for coach or just fitness or business or whatever you like. You will see profiles that use that words, and that part is really important for your profile, especially if you're a beginner, when people don't know you that well yet, that they can find you. And the third thing, it's important that when they do find you and then they click on your profile and see your profile, it's important that you show them in your bio what are you offering. Why they should follow you? What value are you giving to them? Because it's really important. You have around 3 to 5 seconds when people come to your profile that they click the follow button. They just have to like you or they don't like you. So it's important, like I said, that you optimize your name, your username, who you are, your name, and of course your bio, so that you tell them directly who are you helping, what are you offering, on what area are you an expert, and why. Give them the answer to why they should follow you. Trick number 2 is use hashtags. A lot of people say that hashtags don't work anymore. And I totally disagree with that, because I guarantee you, if you use hashtags in your own advantage and you use the right hashtag strategy, hashtags will definitely work. You can see the result right here. And hashtags is actually, when the people will find you through hashtags, that means that people are actually searching for that topic and want that value. And these people could be your next potential clients. So please use hashtags. But the important part here is that you make good strategy. In my next videos, I will talk all about hashtag strategies. So make sure you press subscribe button down below, that you will be notified when this video will be up. But let's now focus on that little tips that I will give you right now about hashtag strategy. It's important that you use hashtags that are about your topic, about the topics that you're talking about, that are about the value that you're giving to people, and of course that are about the niche that you are targeting. Because if you don't use hashtags in your niche, this clients or people who will find you, they won't be your potential clients. And you want people that will become your audience and people that will respect and want your value, and of course that they will later on potentially be your new clients. So be sure that you are using hashtag. Do your research. Use it in your niche, about your business, about your topic, and about people that you want to target. Tip number 3 is be real and show real. As being personal brand, that means that you are your brand and people want you. People want your face and your personality. So it's your obligation and your work that you give that to your potential clients, to your audience. It's really important that you build know, like, and trust relationship with your audience so that they will think that they know who you are, that they will understand you, that they will like you, that they will resonate with you, and later on that they will trust you. And when people trust you, later they buy from you. And it's also important here that you understand these steps, and that when people come to your profile, that doesn't mean that they will buy the next second. It's okay. They need time. They need to see you first, and like I said, they need to understand you, to see who you are, and then trust you enough so that they will buy from you. So like I said, show them realness, not perfection. They don't want perfection. They want you, as you are your personal brand. So tip number 4 is brand magnet. What makes you unique? What makes you different? These are the questions that are really important in that step, because it's important that you, of course, are different from the others. And here I'm talking about font, about style, about your name, about your logo. And maybe a lot of you are asking yourself right now, I don't know which color do I like the most. I don't know how my logo should look like. I don't know how my brand name should be. And here is my advice that I'm giving you from my story. Ask your friends, ask your partner, ask your parents, ask somebody that knows you the best. This is exactly how I made up with my name, Shark. I'm using Shark everywhere. On my website, on my Instagram, you can see it right here, everywhere. It's like something that I resonate with, and that is the most important part. And my friend actually asked me, Masha, could you help me become business shark? Like, to be sharky as you are strong. And that was like, click, 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 this is it. And so I'm like, oh my God, you just gave me the best idea ever. And she was like, what? And this was the time that I was looking for something that will make me different. And really ask people around you, listen to people around you, but also be sure that something that you will choose will resonate with you, with your personality, with your brand, and of course with the service or product that you are offering to people. Tip number 5 is competitive research. Analyze your competition, find your competitors, find them and really analyze them from the bottom to the top, because it's important for you, for your brand, that you know what works and what doesn't, and you can find those answers by analyzing your competitors. These people have the audience that you want. These people have the audience that you also are targeting. So it's important that you analyze their content, their business, their brand, and see from their perspective what is working and what doesn't. In that case, you can also use these things for your content, for your brand. But really, here I'm not talking about copying things. Don't be a copycat. Use it in your own advantage, but do it on your way, with your energy. Tell your story. Tell your point of view. Don't copy the things from the others, and don't be the same, because that's not okay and that I don't support. But analyze your competition and try to find what is working and what it doesn't, and use that for your brand. Tip number 6 is choose your main platform. It is really important to find the platform that you want to focus on, and of course, by building your audience, it is important to know where your potential clients and people that you are targeting actually are. And I'm giving you right now 2 tips that I know they work because I have been using them, I have been testing them. And my first tip is definitely to test your content out. Test your content, test pictures, test blog posts, test whatever your brand is presenting, test on different platforms, because it is really important to find out which platform suits you best. And for my example, I use Facebook, YouTube and Instagram, but I exactly know which people, who I am targeting on Facebook and who I am targeting on Instagram, because these platforms are actually really different. And as my business is oriented in English and also in Slovene, it is important to know where my Slovenian people are performing best and where English people are performing best. So it is important to analyze your content on different platforms and then watch the results and analyze things to find out which platform is the best for your brand. And let me say you just one thing: don't expect to get results the next day or maybe the next month. It is important to take time and test as many different content that you have, because just in that case you will get the real results that then will really generate the real traffic. And my second tip here is definitely, again, competitive research. Look your competition, analyze them again, see on which platform are they performing best, which platform is the best, because that means that people that you also want in your business are on that platform. So again, do the research on your competition, see where are the people that you also want to target, and you can definitely see that by analyzing your competition and where on which platform are they the strongest. Step 7 is 5-minute rule. This rule is actually inspired by one and only Sunny Lenarduzzi, who is an absolutely magnificent business, social media, YouTube coach, and I have learned so much from her. And thank you, Sunny, for doing what you are doing. Keep up the good work. And what is 5-minute rule? That means that you dedicate every day 5 minutes of your time to the platform that you choose. That means that you comment, like, and also answer the questions people are asking in the comments. You have to focus on profiles that, of course, have the audience that you're also targeting. By that, you will expose your face and expose your brand. Potentially, people could definitely click on your profile and of course, if they like you, they will press also follow button. So it is really important to also optimize your profile and be active. Do it every day and don't expect any results by doing it just 1 or 2 or 3 times. Be consistent. Do it for months in order to get results. And of course, be ready, because on my next video, I will talk with you about caption mistakes people make on Facebook and also on Instagram that I see and I know, because I have been doing also these mistakes are not generating any traffic, any audience. So be sure to press the subscribe button down below and be ready for my next video next week. Thank you for watching, and of course, have a beautiful day. Bye!